If you're experiencing issues with the installation loop in Valorant, follow these steps to resolve the problem and successfully install the game. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Valorant. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, CPU, and GPU specifications. Step 2. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall settings, as they may interfere with the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant installer and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the installation loop. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows+R, type %temp% and hit Enter. Delete all files in the temp folder to remove any corrupted installation files that may be causing the loop. Step 5. Reinstall Riot Client. Uninstall the Riot Client completely and then download the latest version from the official Valorant website. This ensures you have the most up-to-date installer, which may resolve any existing issues. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome the installation loop and enjoy playing Valorant. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.